What we'll be doing is removing the radiator, and this is the oil cooler from my parts car. So this is a 27 millimeter, and those one below for the oil cooler lines. And we got screwdrivers here, screwdriver here, and beneath, two places where there's a screwdriver, right on those two hoses. Okay, so what I did is I ended up using vice grips and just back and forth and got it. It was not easy. Vice grips and lubricant, penetrating lubricant. And there's also clips. There's a clip here, you're going to use a screwdriver. A clip here, you use a screwdriver. And here to get the shroud off. And you see we're underneath the car, and I got the shroud off, or at least loose where it's up there. So next we're going to release a screwdriver to that and that, these two hoses. And then we're going to mess with the oil cooler, transmission coolant lines, which is one's a 17 on the back and 19 on there. The new one's got coils around them, so when the belt breaks it doesn't, well, I've already been through that in 2007. And of course the other transmission line there, transmission coolant line there, and the other oil cooler line way down there, and that's a 27. So this is underneath.